We are back in SM Cebu right now. We're already promoting the product once again. This is Joy Charcoal Stove, Filipino made. Now, first of all, we are going to remove all these parts so that you can see what's inside the stove, no? Now, the good thing with this product, the material is made of tempered aluminum alloy. The good thing is, even if you drop this accidentally, you don't have to worry because this will not break. At the same time, you can wash it, no? It will not rust anymore. Now, the ashes will be deposited here. So once you clean it, the following day before you use it again, you're going to turn it over. Okay. But if you're going to use it 24/7, for example, you have your business, we have our second option of our cleaning, we have the ashtray for ash disposal. Now, we have 4 holes all around so that in any direction of the air that will be properly ventilated, you don't have to fan anymore. So this is how your control, regulator, for the air intakes, you don't have to use blower. No? You're going to place it inside like this, and then once you open this, 4 holes are open also because of the oxygen. This is already high. Now, heat can be controlled right now, no? Just like gas stove or electric stove, you can reduce the heat from medium to low. So initially, it should be open for the starting of the charcoal. Now, the charcoal will be placed on top of this. Now, the material is made of tempered cast iron. This is the strongest metal that can hold the charcoal, no? So you're going to place it at the center. Now, how to start up the fire? Now, that is our common problem. If you're in the States or you're living international, what you're doing there, you have their self-igniting charcoal, you're just going to light it up, that will burn right away. But if you're going to use it in the Philippines, what we are doing here is to merge the charcoal into kerosene. You're just going to use one only as your starter. You're going to place it at the center like that, and then you combine it with dry charcoal.
Okay.
Now, once you light it, that will burn already. Now, you are just going to wait for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of burning, then you can start in cooking. You have the different sizes, different angular ring. The purpose of this one is to adjust the different sizes for more efficient, more effective, and more faster in cooking up to the smallest size. And then you want to turn it off. For example, you are doing cooking. You don't have to pour water anymore because this is for indoor charcoal stove.
Okay.
So all you have to do is to cover this on top, and then you close the air control. No air, no fire.
Oh.
And the remaining charcoal, you can reuse the charcoal again. So you can save 70%. Now, we are doing cooking. You want to use it for grilling. Now, this is for grilling also, no? You're just going to remove all the ring, open your control. Now, the good thing with this product, when you use this for grilling, we pass the standard of grilling. We are not grilling directly from the charcoal. So when you use it for grilling, you're just going to spread out the charcoal 1 layer only. And at the same time, we are providing you a pre-stainless griller. No? Non-iron content, non-ferrous metal, so this will not rust anymore. This is a 304 stainless. No? So just going to place it like that. Then, you want to refill your charcoal. Now, the problem now inside is the charcoal. Not enough to cook. For rather cooking, how to add your charcoal. Now, ordinary thing we do before, conventionally, we lift this up to add charcoal on top. So that is conventional. By this time, you don't have to do that. No? We're going to make it simple. Just going to open the side wings.
Okay.
This is where you place your charcoal here. Same to the other side to balance the heat. And then afterwards, never leave it open. It should be closed right away, so that the focus of the air will only be at the center, no heat loss.
So some of the questions are that when they grill meat, is it really smokeless?
No, actually, there's a smoke, but it will be lessen the smoke. It gradual only because the oil that will drip to the charcoal.
Okay.
No. Yes.
So, what is this available only in Lazada Philippines?
If we do not have our exhibit, this is available at the Lazada Philippines po.
So, can they also order you direct through your Facebook?
Yeah. They're going to inbox us for more information. They're going to inbox at the Facebook page. and then we're going to answer your questions.
Okay, so you can also contact them direct in their Facebook, Joy Charcoal Stove JCS. I will be posting their Facebook page. Then there are 3 sizes that is promoted in Lazada: large, medium, small.
Yeah, but the most saleable is this one because one size fits all. Especially when you use it for grilling, this is the standard for grilling. The good thing also with this, you can even bring this with you, especially this holiday. You want to go on picnic outing, family gathering, autochthon. This is a portable griller and a portable stove. You're just going to put charcoal inside, so you don't have to carry your charcoal anymore. You just close the control and cover this on top. You bring the griller. So all in one, you have the handle to carry it all in one with you. So just one carry, you have it all.
So there's another question from a viewer. You know that one with the round one? That is like easily corroded?
No. This is our additional feature, no? Additional gadget will be given for free also. Now, you're going to use this. For example, if you're going to use the smallest opening, the number 4 or number 3, so that the area becomes narrower, so less charcoal to be used, less consumption, and more faster in cooking.
Okay.
So, this is optional. You can remove this one or you can put this one.
So, yung their problem is that is broken. Can they buy the
this one,
parts?
the material is ordinary iron. This will last for 3 to 5 years or more. And
but they can create their own.
Yeah, they can make their own. Yeah, if you have your empty can of powdered milk, you're just going to cut it, and then that's it.
So,
but right now, this will be given for free.
Okay. I mean, the one that the iron grill, they can also buy that if they.
This is available. You just
as
going
parts.
to inbox us.
Okay. So you can just contact them direct in their Facebook page, or the people abroad, they can go to Lazada Philippines and then they can ship it to you.
If they have if you have their relatives in Manila, they can contact us and they can ship the product to their
relatives in abroad. Because I got my first blog about Joy Charcoal Stove. There's a lot of Filipinos abroad wants to buy this, even
like this
even
one.
Foreigners. Yes.
This is the actual demonstration. You can see smokeless, and at the same time, no black carbon.
There's no black
produced.
carbon on the.
And then you just to wipe it. It's already clean.
Yep.
Wet cloth.
Wet cloth on the pot.
No black carbon produced.
So you can see that the charcoal there is just less smokeless, is less smoke. Some people think there's no smoke at all. It's not. It's smokeless. Because if we don't use the word smokeless, if it's no smoke, we'll be using the word no smoke. But this is the Joy Charcoal Stove, smokeless charcoal stove. So they are, as of the moment, they are here in SM City, Cebu. They are on the exhibit of Cebu and Food Beverage here until the Sunday, October 13. So the Cebuanos who wants to buy this, the one that commented on the video, you can come here and you can avail. They got a few stocks here, but you have to hurry up because like last time it was all sold out. And the exhibit, the price is only 2,980, but if you're buying this in Lazada, it costs over 3,000 pesos, 3,600, including the shipping. So again, the product is already patent. The patent number 2005-00236. So for those who are concerned about the copying of the Chinese for this Joy Charcoal Stove, you need to be reminded they already have a patent for the product.